We can use this function to distribute blocks or reference points in rows and columns inside a delimited area according to a specific criteria. For this, let's click on the distribute icon. I get this window where I can choose to distribute either blocks or reference points. For this video, I'll choose reference points. I can choose between a single line distribution or in rows and columns. I can make the distribution using different combinations in the criteria. Let's try with 5 points in a line with a length of 5 meters. Now I have to click on the first point of the sequence, indicate a direction, and click once again. I will get 5 points with a total length of 5 meters between the first and the last point. I'm going to delete these points and open the distribute window again. Now I keep the 5 points, but I'll set an in-between distance of 5. I click OK, and now I have to click to indicate the direction, and then click once again. As you can see, now I get 5 points with a distance of 5 meters between each of the points. Okay, let's open the distribute window once again and select the rows and columns distribution. Now I can set the criteria for both rows and columns. Once I set the values, I can click OK, and I have to click on the viewport to position the first point. Now I indicate the direction of the row and click once again. And now I have to indicate the direction of the columns and click again. After doing this, I get the distribution of points as I have specified in the criteria.